Patriot Campers is an Australian manufacturer located on the Gold Coast. In under 10 years, this bespoke manufacturer has outgrown its humble beginnings and transformed into a powerhouse of automotive evolution. Patriot facilities now span across 4 manufacturing sites, totalling over 14,000 square metres, with industry-leading professionals at the helm of each one. All to feed the main assembly line, which, thanks to the coordination of all its entities, builds products with unparalleled precision. Backed by a network of dealers in Australia and the United States who are committed to their customers, a world-class engineering team with the off-road know-how to match, and a full directory of partnerships with quality Australian suppliers. It's safe to say that this kind of growth is unstoppable. Born from necessity, there was nothing out there like a Patriot when the company founders purchased their first camper trailer. It was almost a decade ago, and the industry was full of large, heavy camper trailers that were a chore to tow on the blacktop, let alone an off-road track. Their frustration built as other models literally weighed them down. So, the founders started talking about what their dream camper trailer would look like. Small and compact, it would fit into any garage. Lightweight and with superior suspension, it would go anywhere their tow vehicle would go. Packed with storage space, power and water, it would fuel their family for as long as their adventure lasted. So there in the sand at Stradbroke Island, they sketched what would later become known as their very first Patriot Campers X1. It would take several months of complete focus and a passionate team at the company's foundation sheet metal business to pull it all together. But finally, they had their ultimate family camping trailer. They only ever intended on building one, but people everywhere were taking notice, and it wasn't long before the Patriot Campers X1 had taken the title of Camper Trailer of the Year. In just a few short years, Patriot Campers' growth was spectacular. Patriot Campers had transformed from a small family business on the Gold Coast of Australia to an internationally recognised manufacturing facility. It was this initial success that paved the way for the company to focus on improving their processes and techniques, with quality and Australian-made materials always at the forefront of design and technological advancements, paving the way for the next generation of camping trailers. It didn't take long for production requirements to double and then triple, forcing the refinement of the production line and its technologies so that it could sustain a mass production environment capable of the highest quality, repeatable parts and products. This consistency came with the help of sophisticated manufacturing software and machinery and strict streamlined quality processes to maintain quality at a higher level of production output. These expectations were met when the company obtained an industry-leading certification in Quality Systems ISO 9001. To obtain ISO 9001, Patriot Campers undertook a comprehensive manufacturing audit from a leading auditor with almost 30 years of experience in management system certification. This new certification formalised the control processes within the business and assisted the team in enhancing them even further. Today, Patriot Campers has expanded its operations and introduced new, specialised departments within production to ensure the highest quality is upheld and manufacturing techniques and technology continue to progress. Coil steel is the heart of Patriot's hard-wearing camper trailers. It is received in either sheet or tube form, depending on the part, And from there, it is either CNC laser cut or punched into its profile shape with a repeatable tolerance. The profiles are then formed through state-of-the-art CNC bending techniques to ensure accuracy and repeatability. At each stage, the parts are inspected for quality assurance. PLC-controlled pulse welders and welding robots are used for pinpoint accuracy and heat disbursement of alloy materials. The production facility utilises powder coating rather than spray painting to achieve a more consistent and durable finish. Powder coating is known as the gold standard in protective coating in automotive assembly plants around the world in relation to steel components. The powder coating process itself is friendly to the environment too, thanks to the lack of toxins and waste produced during the application. Patriot Campers is determined to keep manufacturing in Australia, despite the higher cost, because it has such a profound impact on the Australian economy. It's not just about the Patriot workforce, it's also about the workforce of each supplier and their families. When you've purchased from Australian companies, you keep Australian money in Australia. When you zoom out, you can really see what purchasing Australian-made is all about. It's this supply chain that's made up of thousands of moving parts, and to control it all, the systems team at Patriot Campers has built a bespoke system to control the workload and parts in the business. This software allows Patriot Campers to take a look into the future and make smart business decisions quickly when a market change demands it. Once all the parts have been prepared, they are transferred to a parts warehouse where they are picked for pre-assembly. International automotive just-in-time management processes are adopted to manage the material flow within ERP planning software throughout all of their plants. Parts are sorted by location and arrive at pre-assembly stations where sub-assemblies are built next to the main production line. The line pulses in sequence, consuming the sub-assemblies right as they're needed. Thanks to this carefully planned sequencing, Patriot Campers has the ability to flex the production line to produce more or less camper trailers as market demand changes. Patriot Campers are proud partners with Red Arc Electronics and have been since the very first X1. Not only do they manufacture the brains of the entire X range right from their HQ location in Adelaide, but they also assist with optimising product designs to complement one another. Experts in their field, Red Arc are another proud Australian company at the forefront of global touring electronics, and Patriot owners can count on them for electronic support across the globe. And if the electronics are the brain, the harness is the nervous system. Local supplier Helm Wiring provides all wiring harnesses, which are manufactured in Australia for enhanced quality. Helm Wiring pride themselves on delivering highly repeatable harnesses for mass production. This assists in fault finding and replacements if a problem ever arises. Patriot Campers only use the best components in their assembly factory. The structural rivets and chemical adhesives used are borrowed from the aerospace industry to form a monocoque construction with minimal welds for strength and longevity. Every camper trailer is built upon a hot-dipped galvanised chassis foundation for low weight strength with the fusion of steel and marine-grade aluminium. All tents fitted to the X range are made exclusively from Australian-made canvas, which is renowned for being the best in the world. No other material breathes like Australian canvas or is as durable, as the conditions we expect our canvas to survive in are particularly harsh. To manufacture tents from this canvas, sophisticated CNC plotting machines paired with highly skilled machinists are utilised to ensure all tents are just as precise in their form as the metal components of the camper trailer. This repeatability means that customers can be sure of the quality, and any repairs or replacements provided throughout the life of your camper trailer will always be to factory standard. The construction of our hard lids and other composite components are crafted using silicone vacuum bag technology, which can handle complex 3D geometry moulds. Resin flows through the vacuum bags, forming the perfect seal over the mould to produce hard-wearing parts with near-perfect repeatability. This industry-leading plastics forming method eliminates unnecessary waste and increases accuracy when compared with forming technologies of the past. Driving innovation within the business, our research and development team focuses on both new products and the refinement of existing product lines to ensure that Patriot Campers meets and exceeds both local and international automotive engineering standards. Products are created and then refined using 3D scanning technology and are then subjected to a range of specialised tests, including FEA testing, wind tunnel analysis, and more. Both inside and outside of this department, upskilling is a company-wide focus. Staff are routinely offered the chance to undertake further study at no cost, and the Patriot Campers apprenticeship program continues to grow year on year, thanks to a partnership with TAFE Queensland to produce jobs for local school leavers that are interested in blue-collar careers in manufacturing. By investing in its people, Patriot Campers is investing in its future. Each year, more Patriots are on the road than ever before. Patriot knows that the key to servicing their growing owner base is to onboard dealers that can support new and existing customers in their local area. Because of this, they have spent the last 5 years onboarding authorised dealers that share their vision for off-road adventure, customer service, and family-owned values. These businesses are set up all around the country, ensuring that Patriot Campers owners are never too far from a dealer, so they can access servicing, spare parts, and customer support with ease. The network is always evolving, and the team at Patriot Campers hope to bring even more authorised service centres into the fold as the Patriot family grows. The next natural step in the Patriot Campers evolution is to their friends across the sea in the United States who share Australia's love for adventure. Here, the Patriot Campers team will set up their United States authorised dealer network in the same way, connecting owners with support every step of the way. Patriot Campers have taken on some worthy overlanding challenges over there, and they've enjoyed automotive events all around the country. And they've made some great friends in the US. While they don't know everything the future holds, they do know that they will be spending a lot more time in those 50 states. From the first sketch in the sand, that first dream of a lightweight, compact camper that didn't feel like an anchor, to the camper trailer industry today, the landscape of the industry is undeniably different. And while there are a lot of worthy Australian-made competitors, the innovators at Patriot Campers are always one step ahead. The latest technology, purpose-built to enhance your family holidays, is just behind the door of Patriot's authorised dealerships, direct to you from Patriot Campers HQ. To all Patriot owners, thank you for choosing the Patriot life. We hope that you will make good use of your investment and take every opportunity to load up your camper trailer and get lost. And we hope that we can live up to your expectations, knowing that you've put your faith in us to guide your adventures for life.